What's up, y'all? This is your boy 91 LS 300ZX on site on the build on the LS Swap 300ZX. So let's go. What's up, y'all? This is your boy 91 LS 300ZX. This is our first ever video, so I wanted to give y'all a little bit of build, a little bit of on-site on the build on the LS Swap 300ZX. So let's go check it out. So here she is. This is my 1991 LS Swapped twin turbo 300ZX that I've been working on a little bit over 2 years. A little bit about the build. It's a Gen 360. Flat top pistons, Gen 4 rods. The rings have been gat for boost. Holley high ram. I got BTR dual valve springs and titanium retainers on some 243 heads. What else do we got? Stage 2 cam, VS Racing, 7070 dual ball bearing billet wheel turbos. Holley 100-pound injectors, T56 transmission. We're currently on some 275s in the rear, so I hope to get some new tires to be able to handle the power. But I mean, overall, she's really good for what I built in this garage. I had a lot of good friends, a lot of good family help me out with the build, so I appreciate everybody and everything they've done. On the inside, she's completely stock interior. You know, she's been garage kept since I've owned it. So to give y'all a little bit more look of what the interior looks like, we got my little helper today. You good there, hi daddy? You there, hi daddy? There he goes. That's my little man, y'all. But we got the NRG quick release. Okay, tell us he like to go fast too, y'all. Hey bro, don't lick that. But we got the NRG quick release. I don't know why everybody hates that, but I love it. That's where I got my Holley Terminator X mounted at, right there. And then I got my innovative air and fuel ratio right there. Another one right there, and then my boost gauge here. I got my floorboard, my ECU on the floorboard right now, because I have it. I got my my USB cord, so when I bring the laptop. But in the glove box, we have the Grady boost controller, Profolic B, and then we have the E85 content reader. So when I fill up, okay, daddy. So when I fill up, so overall the interior is stock and just with a few things done to it. You know, it's hey bro, back up. What is going on? What are y'all seeing it? What? Hey, stop, chill. All right. So whenever I prime it, it'll read out right there. So I see everything there, and yeah, man, she sounds wonderful. So yeah, man, overall, I mean, the inside T56 transmission. It's a TIG Performance GTO shifter, so I really dig the shifter. So really all I need to do overall is get the boost controller hooked up so we can run boost. But yeah, man, overall, we dig it. have it. That's the Z, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all like, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Z and the first video. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed.